What's growing on, gardeners? On today's 2-minute garden tip, I'm going to show you the easiest way to protect your cold-sensitive trees from frost. If you live outside of the tropics and you're growing any kind of trees that are sensitive to cold, you need to be prepared in case of a cold snap. If you follow either of my channels, you know how much I love these plant jackets for protecting sensitive trees from frost and freeze. They are thick enough that they can hold in a significant amount of warmth, but because they're made out of agricultural fabric, they're completely breathable, so they let out excess heat and they let in most of the UV from the sun. So you can leave these over your trees for weeks at a time. However, these plant jackets do have a downside. Because they are fitted, they take a few minutes to put on each. Not a big deal if you only have 1 or 2 trees to cover, but if you have numerous trees to cover like I do, and you're only going to have a short frost or freeze event that isn't going to be too cold, you may not want to spend the time it takes to put on a whole bunch of these plant jackets. Tonight, our temperatures are going to fall into the upper 20s. Those temperatures are child's play for this mature Owari Satsuma. However, for the massive haul of citrus that are on it currently, they're not. Citrus can take damage if the temperature falls to about 26 to 27 degrees, so I need to cover this tree in order to hold in some excess heat and protect the fruit. So is there a way that I can give this tree a few degrees of protection, but I don't have to fight with a plant jacket for 3 to 5 minutes to fit it over because I don't need that much protection? When we have a freeze coming and I need a few more degrees of protection, but I don't need massive amounts of insulation, this is the trick I've been using for years. Fitted sheet. This king-size fitted sheet cost me less than $10, and I'll be able to drape it over this tree in no time. So if all you need is light temporary frost protection, you can cut your covering time down from about 3 to 5 minutes a tree to only about 30 seconds a tree. The fitted sheet fits snugly over the tree like a giant shower cap, and as easy as this was to put on, it's even easier to take off. I will be able to pop this off tomorrow morning in less than 10 seconds. Remember, covers will only protect against frost. Plants do not generate heat, so if you need to protect against freezing temperatures, you need a warming source underneath in order for the cover to hold in the heat. You need something like 60-gallon drums full of water or incandescent C9 Christmas lights, which will generate lots of warmth. I will link to all of the products that I featured in this video, plus a playlist of all of my favorite cold protection methods down in the video description. And that's today's 2-minute garden tip. If you're new to the channel, please consider subscribing and hitting the bell to receive new video notifications, and check out our Amazon storefront and spread shop in the video description for a list of the gardening products I use and awesome custom designed apparel and other gear. Your support is greatly appreciated.